Whew, I got so much dust in my throat. Ooh, these no hand guards is what's hard, because you got to take it easy through some of them spots. What's up, brother?
Turn your map on, let me see where we're at.
That thing is super light though, guys, the 450L. It's like baby weight. It's really, really light. Yeah. What is this hill? Why does this not look familiar? What hill is that? Oh, I know what hill it is. That's the one we came up. We never came down it. It feels totally different coming down it, I'll tell you that. I love these trails. Which way is he going? That wasn't a concrete barrel that I saw back there. That one spot, guys. It was a concrete drainage pipe that was just busted up with holes in it, and it wasn't as long, so it just looked like a barrel. We'll see how this Hero 8 does too, guys. So I'm using the new Hero 8 black right now. I typically use my Hero 5 black. Whoa! That's what will happen if you lock up your brake, like I did. Cut that turn a little too quick. There was no way to save that, guys. No way to save that. I locked up my rear tire. Tried to stay on that top, and my rear tire, from locking it up, slid into the rut, and it just high-sided me right off. It's no big deal. We're just gonna hit right here. You guys think of that? This is a spot I've never hit. At least I don't think we've hit here. Huh. We may have hit here. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know if we've came that way before or not. I really don't know. Ooh, look at that. That's gnarly. I didn't realize that came up so quick. I need to wipe my glasses, my goggles. They got perspiration in them right now, and sit over here, guys. Let's see where T went. Let's go back in here, guys. I want to hit that hill. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. This is all in second gear, guys. I'm gonna lug it through second gear back here just to get a little second gear action in. I don't know why, I just feel like riding in second gear a little. I've actually been riding in first gear a lot and no need. Could do it second gear back here. What is that? That looked like a freaking water hose, like a spout. Spigot. I wonder if they know about the hill climbs. See how this tire doesn't sand, guys? I had somebody ask me how it doesn't sand, and that was amazing. Best tire I've ever ridden in sand with. Did not go fast enough. It's all good. Get up here and we'll change our battery. Does do really good in sand. Just do yourself a favor, keep your momentum up. The rear tire didn't do anything. That could just be the D606, you know? I should have went that way. A lot better. This is the way that these guys were taking to go around all that. That's the way they take to go around it, dude. It's super dry. Take you guys up a new hill today. We're going to try to conquer that other hill today too, guys, for you. Did somebody clear that tree that was down? Somebody cleared the tree that was down. Wow. That's crazy. Here's my burnt tree. I think it got struck by lightning. Somebody cut that tree too. Somebody's been back here cleaning up. That's cool. That's cool, man. Ooh, that really hurt my leg. And I just like squished it again.